Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the day. We're gonna go see if I sell the Malibu. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today is that day. We're gonna find out today really how much Carmax is gonna offer for the Chevy Malibu and whether or not I'm gonna sell it. Now, full disclosure, I mean, this is where we're at with it monetarily. $900 winning bid at Copart, non-running and driving car. Almost $1,700 out the door with fees. Almost $300. It was like 280 something for the key fob. $400 to fix the module, which controls whether or not the car knows it's in park. Evidently a common issue with this car. And that's it. I'm done. So it looks like the fleet recently put tires on the car. The tires look like they're brand new. And you know, now we're rolling. Neighborhood, by the way, if you didn't know, the new house is out here. And yeah, if the houses look really big, you know, I could, you know, let me just leave that alone. Anyways, we're gonna take this thing out. We're gonna let them appraise it. And if they offer me anything over 10 grand for this car, we're gonna sell it today. Now, I know you guys are probably like, you know, that's a pretty big profit, and it is. And can you do this, you know, 2 or 3 times a month? Probably. But here's the thing. let me be very clear about this. See, unlike, there's some channels out there that be like, you could do this 4 times a month. Look, could you do that 4 times a month? Of course you could. Is it likely? No. The likelihood of you finding another car like this and winning it at Copart for $900, $1,700 after fees, is extremely unlikely. For me, it was really a perfect storm, right? Towards the end of the auction, most people had already blown their wad. Yeah, they're building out here like crazy too. Most people have blew their wad. You know, it was an enhanced vehicle with no keys. It had been kind of put up in the back, you know, like in an area where if people are coming out to actually come out and view the vehicle, it was in like kind of like a no view area until like the last 3 days. A lot of people didn't get a chance to come out and put hands on the car, look at the car, check the oil, do any of that stuff, right? And when that kind of stuff happens, you don't have a lot of bidders on the car. I think I had one guy that was bidding me up until we got to $900, and then they finally dropped out. Because as far as you know, it's enhanced. The motor could be locked up. It could be completely jacked up. So you know, look, I luckily had the opportunity to see the car and figured I'd take a chance on it. I didn't even think I was going to bid it to $900. I thought like I'll throw a bid on it at $375 and that'll be it, right? But I don't know. I just got into that. Damn, I'm tired of this dry ass cough, man. I just got into that festive spirit and just went to bidding. Man. I just wanted to win. And so we went in, man. But anyways, now I guess the thing is we'll go in and we'll see what I almost said Carvana. Woo! We'll see what Carmax offers. I do have a video coming for you guys with an offer from Carvana and Vroom, so you guys can see just how much of scumbags this company is. And at the time of recording this video, it is the last day of the month in January. So it is D-Day. It is doomsday for Carvana in the state of Florida. Come tomorrow, if they don't have all their paperwork and whatever is submitted to the state, I really hope Florida honors their word and suspends their license, because it'd be good to see that happen. I think they need a wake-up call. I really do. And being banned in an entire state, like, it hurt them a little bit when they got banned in Raleigh, which also I think lifts today. But for them to get banned really super hard in Florida, that would hurt. So you got Jacksonville, Miami, Tampa, Orlando, that would hurt. So anyways, let's go ahead and roll up here to Carmax and see what Carmax is willing to offer for the car. I wish I was able to get more videos for you guys on this car, but there's like really, I mean, what do you want me to show you under the hood? Like, there was nothing really to fix on the car. There's no content outside of when we picked, the GoPro getting corrupted when we picked it up and got the key fob. I mean, that still aggravates me, and I won't use the GoPro anymore. I'm done with the GoPro. I'll either use the iPhone, or I just ordered the new DJI OSMO Pocket with the wireless mic, and that thing is beautiful, man. Shout out to Carlos. I got to use that yesterday. That thing was beautiful. So, anyways, let's go head up here to Carvana and see what they're gonna actually offer. Oh man, I know a lot of people say, well, TK, this is not a car that you keep. All right, why don't you keep this one, TK? Because I'm good, man. Look, I gotta go to Kansas here very, very, very soon and go pick up the Hoopy's Garage Z3. We finally emailed back and forth about that, and he just got done with all his stuff, so I will be picking that car up soon. And then, between the truck, the Aspen, the Aspen, the Mazda, the BMW, the Z3, and what I'm gonna do, I don't need 5 cars here, man. 4 is enough. I got my summer car with the Z3. I got the truck, for any times I think I need to go somewhere where I need 4-wheel drive with the Aspen, right? The Mazda could be the daily put around, and then I got the Beamer, man. Like, I'm good. I don't need, I mean, don't get me twisted. I'm still gonna buy cars. Like, I got to do it for content, but it's not, unless it's something like world shaking, like unless it's something ridiculously good, I'm not keeping the cars. I'm starting to get used to these gas prices too. $3.69. I mean, it's not California, but still, man, I know back home gas is like $2.50, $2.40 for regular, and paying $4.20, $4.09 is the cheapest I found it on post out at Nellis. But damn, man, that is the one thing I said that was refreshing about this car, was the fact that I could run 87 in it. The Beamer, we ain't running no 87 in the Beamer, unless I'm like in the middle of the Midwest and there's no other options. I'm not running 87 in the car. I'm just not doing it. And once this tune, shout out to my dude Carlos, once I get this tune done on it, I got a new tune that's going on the car, which is going to give me like 110 increase in horsepower without changing anything. And then once I do the downpipes and stuff, then we'll stage 2 it. But this new stage 1 should give me 110 increase in horsepower. I'm excited for it. Oh, I know some people are like, goes, TK, aren't you sad you're going to sell this car? It was a hell of a deal. Like, you could have kept it for a year, drove it, and sold it for more than you paid for it. Yeah, I'm going to cash out now. The car market is still really high. It hasn't collapsed yet. And for me, if I can get 11 grand or 10 grand out of this car, and I got less than 3 into it, I'll take a 7,000 plus profit all day for not doing a lot of work. I mean, it went on a tow truck, it went to a dealer, we got a key fob, it ran, it broke, it needed a module for the stupid shifter or whatever, we fixed it, it runs. Now I'm gonna sell it before something else breaks, because it is a Chevy, it does have 44,000 miles on it, and we're not playing no games. All right, there is Carmax right there. Look at that. Ding, 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 ding. Guess I'll be getting my ass a lift home, huh? Ah. Alrighty, let's go in here and see what they offer. All right, guys, so we are leaving Carmax. I got my bank draft and relevant paperwork, and now I'm literally just waiting on my Lyft to come pick me up, and then we'll follow up here in a few minutes, or I'll finish up. We'll talk about exactly how much I got for the Chevy Malibu and whether or not I thought it was a good deal. All right, guys, so needless to say, I did really, really, really well on the car. I did really well on the car. But, I'm going to do a profit and loss video for you guys on the Malibu, so I can go exact numbers on how much we had into the car, how much we got paid, and then you guys will be able to see exactly how much profit we made. Anyways, I want to thank you guys very much for watching today's video and allowing me to do what I do, man. I really appreciate it. Major shout out to y'all for hitting the thumbs up. Major shout out to all y'all that are subscribers. Super salute to all y'all guys that are members. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys very soon on the next one.